Okay, so if you're a student or a parent getting that college shortlist ready for the upcoming engineering admissions, this one's for you. Today we're taking a close look at Sri Ramanujar Engineering College in Chennai. The TNEA code you'll need is 1426. So right off the bat, there are two really important things you should know about this college. First, it's a self-financing institution. That just means it runs without government funding. And second, it was founded back in 2002 and it's affiliated with Anna University, which is a big deal because that means their curriculum, their exams, everything follows Anna University standards.
All right, so let's get into the official details. Where did the college come from? What's its story? Let's take a look.
Okay, this table really breaks down the basics for you. It's a co-ed school and it's non-minority. Now, here's the part you really need to pay attention to: admissions. It's all done through TNEA. What does that mean for you? Well, 65% of the seats are filled through the government counseling process, and the other 35% are set aside for the management quota.
Even though the college itself opened its doors in 2002, its roots actually go back a bit further. The parent organization, the Swami Educational Trust, was set up a full decade earlier, back in 1992.
So what's their goal? Well, according to them, their whole mission is about giving students an education that's driven by values. They really focus on encouraging creativity and bringing out new ideas from their students.
Okay, now for something that is absolutely crucial for any student or parent shortlisting a college, let's talk about the official approvals.
And here's the big one. Yes, the college is approved by the AICTE. That's the All India Council for Technical Education. And this isn't an old approval, it's active for the upcoming 2025-26 academic year. That's basically the official green light you're looking for.
All right, so we've confirmed the approvals are in place. That's sorted. Now for the fun part. What can you actually study here? Let's dive into the BE and BTech programs they have on offer.
So there are 7 BE and BTech programs to choose from. You've got your traditional core branches, of course, like mechanical and ECE. But look at the numbers for IT and computer science. They have a pretty big intake. And what really stands out are these newer specialized branches: artificial intelligence and data science, and also computer science and business systems. That tells you they're definitely keeping an eye on what the industry is looking for right now.
You add all that up, and what do you get? A total of 480 approved seats for undergraduate engineering students.
So we know how many students can get in, but the big question is, what happens when they graduate? Let's look at the placement data.
Okay, let's talk about this 90% figure. It's really important to know where this number comes from. This is the placement percentage that the college itself reported on the official TNEA 2025 portal. So it's public data submitted by them for the admission process.
All right, let's switch gears a bit and talk about the day-to-day stuff, the practical things that really matter for students and parents.
First up, hostels. For students who need to stay on campus, yes, they have separate hostel facilities available for both boys and girls. And when it comes to food, the mess serves both veg and non-veg options.
If you're a day scholar, the college does have a transport facility. And if you're planning to use public transport, the closest railway station you'll want to know is Vandalur. It's roughly 5 kilometers from the college.
Now, what about scholarships? Well, students who are eligible can apply for a number of government scholarship schemes. You can see the list here. It includes important ones from the Tamil Nadu government, like the First Graduate Scholarship, and also some from the central government of India. Just so you know where all this information is coming from, everything we've talked about today has been gathered from the college's own official website and from trusted government portals like TNEA. We've compiled this in March 2026 to make sure it's as accurate as possible for this year's admissions. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.